So right now we're just in this little range. We definitely in the uptrend. So we're gonna see if price is going to continue to push up or are we going to come back down, all right, and fill potentially this little area right here. So we're gonna see if it's gonna come back down to like right here.
Mm-hmm.
All right. We could potentially take that sell down to close that area, or we can wait and see if it's going to break. All right, so put this right here. It's kind of like a small little demand area right here, but it's not big enough, I feel like, to hold and push up, but it could. So we're gonna see if it's gonna hold up and push up. So if we break this high, definitely can take some buys up. Time is at 9:25. Let's check this 1 hour. So we can literally come up to like right here. All right, so this is a high on the 1 hour. It's also a high on the 4 hour. So let's just move it right there on the 4 hour. Let's check the daily candle. Let's zoom in and see how we're looking. So right now the daily candle is kind of like an indecision candle. So we're gonna see 9:26. So this 4 hour candle looking a little bullish. Um, we're breaking above that last candle on the 4 hour, but on the 1 hour, we are not looking bullish so far. So that's really what I'm looking at right now. We're gonna see. So if it break past, I'm gonna delete this box stuff like it's in the way. If it break past this area right here, take a small sell down. So this will be about. So if we need 100 points, it need to break past this little area if we end up taking this sell down. Gonna see. It's 9:27. We break this, I'm gonna take the sell down. If we break above this high, I'm gonna take this buy up to close that area right there.
Yeah.
So looking like we can take the sell down, but we gotta wait till 9:30. Now, if it come down here and start to reject, we can also take buys from down here from this low, but we gotta see. It shot up a lot yesterday, so it might try to correct itself. It's giving me my setup, but this is part of being disciplined. Like I said, you could take this sale and then 9:30 come and then shoot all the way back up into like the supply and then drop. But it's just best to just wait on that 9:30. So yeah, we're gonna see, man, what we got going. But I hate that it's giving this move before 9:30 though. But we just gotta react and see. Damn, that's really the trade I was looking for right there. So it's 9:30. All right, it's pushing back up. See if we can get us a sell. Um, see. So we back up in this little area. We're gonna see if it's gonna hold. Time is 9:31. That's wild. Super crazy candle. But see,
Right.
that's why I say wait to 9:30. See how it shot all the way back up. All right, I'm taking a small sell from this little area. See if it's gonna hold. All right. See if we
Mm-hmm.
can come down. Supply set up. All right. It's a nice little rejection. So we might end up getting this trade. Nice little trade. Nice trade. See if we can get this push down. 9:33. See what the momentum at. Got one more minute before a new 5-minute counter. So we'll see how this close. So, take us home. Take us home. Now, if it break past this little area right here, it should melt like crazy. But like I said, 100 points is the target. Just depends on what type of momentum it give you. But we're pushing up on TP1 right now. We need it to come on down though, at least to this little area though. Nah, 40 candle. See. Try to get this little push, man, and just drop real quick, and I'll be good for the day, man. Like, why is it doing this? Go ahead and close the little area, fill that little area. 42. But in reality, we ain't been trading that long. Started at 9:30. It's just as traders, we wanted to go ahead and get our take profit, instant gratification. But sometimes it's gonna be bullshitting like this. Nearly a hair away. So this like psychology, this is when psychology kick in. It's more of like you thinking about holding or closing a trade. You know what I'm saying? It's like when you see like a clear gap, because we had that gap to fill right there, it's just best to hold. Now let's say this dude pushed all the way back up. You still took a good trade. It just end up pushing up not in your favor. But at the end of the day, the main thing is just making sure your entries and stuff on point. So we took a nice trade. We can't control, what it do. Psychology wise, you don't want to like hop out the trade and try to hop in the buy because you think it's gonna buy. Like you just let your trade run. So we here at Take Profit, TP1. So that was a cool trade. I just wanted to kind of push past this zone, but this is a good take profit area. But we're gonna see it's 944, so we're gonna see what it's 945 kind of looking like. So this is a cool take profit area. You don't want to like try to hold it too long if it give you, a big rejection, just because this is a kind of like a little demand area. But we're gonna see if it's gonna push past. All right, and then we can put this right here. Of course, it's gonna react. So let's see. Come on with it. It should be good. All we gotta do is push down. Okay, then say if it breaks this, it definitely should drop or melt. But it's a cool take profit area. If not, if you want to hold it just a little bit longer, we got this area right here. Damn, that's a nice drop right there. Let me see. I might close though. Yeah, I just closed. That's a nice drop, but it definitely can keep going. 150 point move.